Hello everyone, my name is Kamra Niket Tukaram. My group number is 7. PRN is 202401040123 and roll number is 78. And today I am going to explain a very important topic from computer architecture, which is hardwired controller unit. In this explanation, I will explain what it is, how it works, its future, disadvantages, and where it is used. So let's begin and understand this concept in very simple way. A hardware controller unit is a type of controller unit inside the CPU that uses fixed physical wiring to generate all controller signals. Unlike programmed control units that use microcode, here everything is merged directly by hardware circuits. In simple, ये एक ऐसी कंट्रोलर यूनिट है जो पूरी तरह से हार्डवेयर को वायरिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। कोई सॉफ्टवेयर या प्रोग्राम का यूज़ नहीं होता। जब इंस्ट्रक्शन आती है तो स्पेसिफिक वायर सर्किट्स एक्टिव होते हैं एंड द इंस्ट्रक्शंस एग्जीक्यूट्स इंस्टेंटली। दिस मेक्स द सिस्टम वेरी fast but less flexible. Now, how it works? Now let's understand how the hardware control unit actually works. It is a building using components like logic gates, flip flops, and decoders. For every instruction, of specific combination of these circuits gets activated. हर इंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए एक फिक्स्ड पाथवे बनाया होता है। इंस्ट्रक्शन आती है, वो पाथवे ऑटोमेटिकली एक्टिव हो जाते हैं क्योंकि ये सब सर्किट्स परमानेंटली वायर्ड होते हैं, इसलिए स्पीड बहुत हाई होती है। बट डिज़ाइन वंस क्रिएटेड कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड इजीली। नाउ लेट्स सी द की फीचर्स. First line, because there is no micro instruction interpretation, the execution is extremely fast. Directly hardwired controller reduces easily. Second, limited flexibility. Since circuits are permanently wired, you cannot reprogram or modify them. अगर कुछ चेंज करना हो तो पूरा हार्डवेयर रीडिज़ाइन करना पड़ता है. Third, based for RISC architecture. RISC uses simple instruction which match perfectly with hardwired circuits. This is why professor prefer this approach. So let's see the advantages. First is faster execution. Hardware control units can execute operations up to 2 times faster than microprogrammed one because everything is direct hardwire. Second, single clock cycle execution. Many simple instructions complete in just one clock cycle, which boosts overall performance. Third one is great for repetitive tasks. For simple predictable operations, hardwired controller is extremely efficient. सिंपल और रिपीट होने वाले टास्क में ये बहुत स्मूथ चलती है. एंड द डिसएडवांटेजेस इज फर्स्ट वन इज वेरी हार्ड टू मॉडिफाई. If any instruction needs correction or improvement, you cannot update it via software. You must redesign the hardware, which is time consuming. Second one is no flexibility. New instructions cannot be added without making a new chip. एक बार डिज़ाइन हो गया तो इसमें बदलाव करना लगभग इम्पॉसिबल होता है. एंड थर्ड वन इज हाई redesign cost. Hardware redesign and chip fabrication are expensive processes, so maintenance cost becomes high. Now let's see where it's used. Hardware control units are mainly used to place. First is RISC processor architecture like ARM and MIPS prefers hardwired controller because their instructions are simple and need high speed. Second is embedded systems. Device like microwaves, routers, smartwatches, smart appliances where tasks are simple, repetitive and need fast execution, जहाँ स्पीड ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होती है और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कम, वहाँ हार्डवेयर कंट्रोलर परफेक्ट होता है. So in hardware controller unit, it's extremely fast because it uses fixed wiring for controller signals. It is perfect for simple and repetitive tasks and works best with RISC processor. However, it is difficult to modify and has every loss flexible. Thank you so much for